Hello dear students, welcome to another video. In this lesson we will talk about the symmetry. Okay, symmetry in polar coordinate system. Okay, we have three types of symmetry. The first one is symmetry about the x-axis, symmetry about y-axis, and the last one is symmetry about the origin or pole. Okay, the easiest way to find the symmetry about each of these three, the first one is, as you know, in polar coordinate system we have r as the function and f theta. Okay, for example, r equal to cosine theta, r equal to sine theta. Okay, for example, in this one we will change theta to minus theta. Okay, are the same. Okay, the same. Change theta to minus theta. If the function does not change it, it means the function is symmetry about x axis. Okay, for example, in this one, change cosine theta to cosine minus theta. If the function does not change it or remain the same, so it means we have the symmetry about the x-axis, like that. This is symmetry about the x-axis. We will plug in some numbers and we will make this one, and then we will test the symmetry. If it is symmetry about the x-axis, then we will make or mirror this line like that. Okay, symmetry about y-axis, we will change minus r to minus r, theta to minus theta. If the function does not change it, if the function doesn't change it, it means it's a symmetry about y-axis. And the third one is symmetry about the pole. We'll change r to minus r, and theta is the same, theta, will not change it. If the function does not change it, it means the function is symmetry about the origin or pole. Okay, and we also remember most of cosine function are symmetry about x-axis, because when we plug when we change theta to minus theta, the cosine remain the same and does not change it. And most of sine function are symmetry about the y-axis or line pi over 2, and most of the r square function equal to f theta. Most of our r square function is symmetry about the pole. Okay, let's get to some examples. Okay, let's get to the example 1. R equal to 2 cosine theta. Okay, r equal to 2 cosine theta. Let's test the symmetry. Test symmetry. Okay, as we said before, most of cosine function symmetry about x-axis. Okay, the first thing that we should do, test symmetry about x-axis. In symmetry about x-axis, we will change theta to minus theta. So r equal to 2 cosine theta. Change it to 2 cosine minus theta. Cosine minus theta equal to 2 cosine theta. So the function doesn't change it. It means it's a symmetry about x axis. Okay. Now we will use the symmetry to create a curve. Okay. Take a look to the plugin numbers. So we will plug some values for theta. Theta for theta equal to 0, r equal to 2. Pi over 6 square root of 3. Pi over 4 square root of 2. Pi over 3 1. And pi over 2 r equal to 0. Okay, now you have created this part of the circle. Now we don't need to plug all these points, because we know it is symmetry about the x-axis. Just mirror this part and we will create this part as well. So we will use the symmetry to create a polar curve. Okay, let's get to another example. Sketch the curve r equal to sine theta. As we said earlier, r, most of r equal to sine theta, or it is, we know most of them, we know most of sine theta are symmetry about y-axis. So we will test symmetry about y-axis. R equal to sine theta. Change r to minus r, theta to minus theta. So minus r equal to minus sine, or sine minus theta. Okay, and it's equal to minus r equal to minus sine theta. Minus with minus will cancel each other, so r equal to sine theta. So it's remain, or the function doesn't change it, so it is symmetry about y-axis. Let's get or test other symmetries for y-axis, for x-axis, sorry. For x-axis, we'll change theta to minus theta. R remains the same. R equal to sine minus theta. So R equal to minus sine theta. So the function change it. It's not symmetry about x axis. Let's get r pole, symmetry about pole. Change r to minus r. So minus r equal to sine theta. So r equal to minus theta, and the function is changed. So it's not symmetry about pole. Okay. So now for making or for creating the curve, we'll just plug in some numbers, as you know. So it is symmetry about, as we know, symmetry about the y-axis. Now we will plug some numbers. This is theta, this is r equal to sine theta. You know, 0 sine 0 is 0. We'll plug in some numbers, and you know, sine pi over 2 is equal to 1. Now we'll create a curve. Okay, for theta 0, this is r. For theta pi over 2, r equal to 1. So we will create r equal to sine theta like that. Now we have created this part, and we know symmetry about the y-axis. Now we will mirror this part, and we will create this. Sorry, it's not good. Now we'll mirror that, and this is r equal to sine theta. Okay, that's all for today's lecture. I hope you enjoy it and have a nice time.